Today I am going to teach you the remove complicated background technique in Photoshop software. First, go to the Window tab and select Layers. Duplicate the image you've opened in Photoshop by pressing Ctrl+J. Again, go to the Window tab and select the Channels. Go to the Channels tab. Select the blue channel. Click and drag the Create New Channel icon to duplicate it. Go to the Image tab, then Adjustments and select Levels. Now, drag the left slider to the right until the image turns black. And drag the right slider to the left until the background turns white. Click OK. Hold down Ctrl and click on the blue Copy the channel to select it. Now select the RGB channel. Go to the Select tab and choose Inverse. In the Layers tab, click the Add a Mask icon to create a mask. Now you'll see that the image is without a background. Use the Brush tool with white color to correct any parts of the mask that were done incorrectly. Now you can add any background you want. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you for watching.